Your desktop will look like this. So firstly we will download all the required files, so you have to head to the description below and navigate to the first link. Now download the wallpaper from here. Navigate to the second link and download the Rainmeter. Now, go to the third link and download the Zerum clock. Navigate towards the fourth link and download Amino Rainmeter Skin from this website. Now, navigate to the fifth link and download this unfold drive file. Navigate to the last link and download this visualizer drive file. After downloading all these files, you have to navigate to the Downloads folder. Now, right-click on the wallpaper and set it as your desktop background. Now we have to extract the visualizer, so extract it. Now install the Rainmeter as shown. Now, this Rainmeter has some default skins, so unload all of them. Navigate to Downloads and install all of the 3 Rainmeter skins. Now open the extracted visualizer folder. Copy this file, go to the Documents, then Rainmeter, Skins folder, now paste it here. Right-click and hide your desktop icons. Go to the taskbar tray and open Rainmeter from here. Now, refresh it. Now load and set all the skins as shown in the video. I have uploaded a variety of desktop themes on PC tutorials. If this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. Share your thoughts in the comment box.